Hey guys, Glen, how are you? Hope you're doing great. This is my YT Velocity review. This is actually going to be a flash sale. This product has been out for about 6 months. This is an amazing product. I just got my hands on it recently and I'm about to put it to very, very good use. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the bonuses I have for YT Velocity, and we're going to look at the sales page, and we're going to actually jump in and look at the back office, and you can see everything that's going on there. So first off, great time to hit subscribe. So hit the link below and subscribe. And I will, let's just talk about what is YT Velocity. It's basically YouTube Velocity. It's going to help you get your YouTube channel going. I actually had a comment on my channel the other day saying, well, you have a video with only a couple of views on it. Do you make sales from it? And actually, yes, you can. You can actually make sales with very little views as long as you have a good review video. And that doesn't mean putting up a demo of a product, but actually doing a review of the product, introducing yourself like I'm doing here. Maybe if there's a demo or a walkthrough of the product, and then giving your opinion on the product, you can actually make sales. Even if you don't have a lot of great bonuses to offer, people just want to know that you're a real person and you're giving them good advice. And the more you do, the more sales you do. I've been focusing on email marketing for a little while, and my channel, I've just been really focused on one thing, trying to crack that. And now I've got this tool, and I'm going to review it for you, but I'm also going to apply it to my own business. All right, so let's get into the bonuses first. So let's go pop over to my bonus page. So this is YT Velocity. So what it is, so let me just talk about first, it's a flash sale. So if you're watching this video, don't go buy it yet, unless it is Saturday, the 18th of December, 2021. If you're able to watch this video in those, I think it's going to run for 2 days, 18th, 19th, 20th. If you're able to watch this video during those days, you're going to save about $5 on the front end, and then save a bundle. There's actually one of the OTOs that you could save a ton on. So hopefully you're going to watch this video when it's there. It's still valuable if you don't get the great deal, but this is just an opportunity to pick up something at a very great deal. So basically, they're going to show you exactly how to rank on YouTube. It doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're in affiliate marketing, CPA, e-com, dropshipping, launch jacking, bloggers, whatever it is. And usually it's $12.95, guys. It's going to be for $7.95 for the flash sale. And I want you to look at upgrade number 5 for $9.97. You're going, oh, that's an expensive item. Well, I'm going to come back to that at the end and talk about that, because that's a really important thing to know. Okay, so we're going to go down, and the bonus that we're going to give you is Polaris. This is a ClickBank product that's done for you funnels for ClickBank products. This is a great tool for making a ton of money on ClickBank. It's all done for you. Really importantly, if you're brand new to online marketing, this is such valuable information, how to be an online entrepreneur. You definitely want to get this in this bonus package. Next also is how to use Instagram influencers. These guys can make or break your business, guys. You're able to learn how to tap into the biggest influencers on Instagram and be able to use them to promote your stuff. And they're going to show you, that's Jono's doing the training on this. He's going to show you exactly how you do that. And then we've got Nova. This is how to get, this is like the whole pack. This is the whole product, which is, I think it's retails at about $400 or $500. Yeah, because it says 267. I gotta fix that. It's because it's more than that with all the upgrades. So this is going to be the first 12 hours on Saturday, December 18th. So you want to definitely grab this. Nova is how to get everything from TikTok, free traffic, free buyers, everything right out of there. And then John and Cynthia, who created YT Velocity, has got some extra special vendor bonuses that we get to provide to you. So we're going to throw those in there for you as well. And guys, if you're not interested in this product, scroll down to the bottom here, and I don't want you to go away empty-handed. Make sure you grab my 6-figure blueprint, no matter what. You can grab it here, or you can grab it in the description under the video. Make sure you guys pick that up. You do not want to miss out on getting that. It's my step-by-step guide on how I make full-time income online. All right, so let's go over to, let's click on here and let's look at the sales page. And so any of the yellow buttons on there, Now, if this video goes up before the 18th, which it will be, it'll be up on the 17th. If you see something that if you just think you want to get it and you don't want to wait for the flash sale, then go ahead and grab it. I'm always here to help you. So if you get stuck on anything, make sure you reach out to me, message me, going, Glenn, I don't understand this. Oh, this is taking a little while to load. Just so you guys know, my computer loads very slow when I'm videotaping because of the software I use. So basically monetize any offer in any niche fast, unlock set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in 15 minutes. Beginners are already making $127 plus a day. It's your turn. I was trying to play a video here. And freeze. Is it playing it? There we go. Stop that from playing. Pause it. There we go. All right. So this is it, guys. See, like usually it's $12.95. If it's Saturday, December 18th, 19th, or 20th, you're going to be able to pick this up for $7.95. And if you visited my page, bookmark it, bookmark this video, like it, comment, whatever, so you can come back and get it, because you definitely want to pick it up through my link. Because actually, I'm going to be going through this training right in the next couple of weeks, right alongside with you. So we're going to be basically seeing the same stuff together. Keeps wanting to play, guys. Maybe we'll have to jump off this page. Anyways, you can go check out this page, and I go back to my bonus page here. See, claim your massive discount below. Gonna be able to pick that up. Sorry, guys. This thing it's a monster. There's my bonus page. All right, let's jump over to the members area so you can see exactly what you're getting. So John doesn't leave anything untaught here. You guys get, basically, you get a watch first orientation from John, and then you're going to be basically going through the overview, how to set up your YouTube channel. Do I need to put my face on camera? You don't necessarily have to, but guys, if you want to make a lot of money online, unless you want to just be in the background buying ads always, you need to put your face on camera. But you can make videos without your face on camera, but I highly recommend it. Recommended tools, how to come up with content ideas fast, done for you content ideas and keywords, ranking factors, uploading and ranking videos, optimizing your videos for maximum rankings, secret ranking hacks, really important, authority commenting, the importance of thumbnails, if this then that, that's what IFTTT stands for, and turning rankings into money. He's got 4 case studies here, guys. And if you guys don't know what a case study is actually, he shows you his method over the shoulder, and you get to see exactly how these case studies work. And just so you guys know, for example, in my my Warrior Plus account, I just had a sale from a launch jacking video that I did, just very similar to the one I'm doing right now. I did about 6 weeks ago, maybe 2 months ago, and I just had a sale go through, and I think they bought 3 of the OTOs, so it was probably about $100 for a video that I did 2 months ago. I just saw it, like I get a lot of those, but this one just, usually they're within a couple of weeks of launching a video. This one just stood out because it was a product that did really well, and I haven't been promoting it for a while. And I was like, where'd that sale come from? And then I went and sort of checked my stats. I was like, holy cow, that came from that video from a couple of months ago. So you don't need a lot of views on your videos, and you can make great money, recurring residual revenue. And the more you rank your just think of, if my YouTube channel was 10 times the size, how many of those would be going? And that's why I'm going to be using this training to really jump on it. So let's go over, just before we get out of here and I give you my full opinion on it, as you probably know, it's already a great thing. And let me go back to that one OTO that I was talking about that's really intriguing. So what are the upgrades? First upgrade is just the software. You're going to, instead of paying $12.95, you're going to pay $7.95 for. You get Pro, you get more strategies to make even more money. Definitely pick that up. You can get the velocity done for you campaign, so you don't have to do any work. Just copy and paste and make money. Done for you bonus pages each week for 365 days, and one-time funnel and email swipes. we require Commission Grill for bonus pages and Clickfunnels for the funnel. So you are going to need Clickfunnels and you're going to need Commission Grills, but you're going to get bonus pages provided to you for a whole year, which is amazing because bonus pages can take some time to build if you're not experienced with it. Commission Grill makes it very easy to build these bonus pages, but really, like, having someone do it for you is really cool. Steal Our Traffic, this is a very good upgrade. It's not $197 or a $97 down sell. Put your pixel on their sales page. So on that sales page that we went to, your Google or your Facebook pixel could be there, and then you could then target the people that bought that by using that targeting with your pixels if you're running advertising. Upsell number 5 for $47. You get to sell this product, YT Velocity, as your own product and keep the commissions across the entire funnel, as well as John's previous products, the Collector, 10x Commission Machines, and Buyers List Bonanza, which he just launched not just a few weeks ago, or actually maybe a month and a half ago. So you're going to be able to make 100% commissions on those products. So that's a great OTO to grab. And then this one, guys, this Launch Accelerator. And I actually went on Facebook and I messaged John and I said, is that the correct price? He said, yeah. And I said, are you sure? Because this product, guys, sells for $19.97. That is the regular price of this product, $19.97. So basically, you're getting $1,000 off if you buy the Launch Accelerator in this time. And what a Launch Accelerator is like you get to launch a product with John and Cynthia. So you launch a product with us. Launching your own product is the quickest way to get a buyer's list. We do all the work, pay for the professional sales copy and design at $1,000, and you collect 100% of the buyer leads, and you get 10% of the profits. So ideally, if you can get a launch that, let's say it's the average sale is $35 to $40, right? And you guys sell, let's do a little math right now here. Let's say you do 250 units times $40, average sale is $10,000. So you would get your $1,000 back by doing 250 sales. Now, that's just an average. I'm not saying you're going to get that back, but if you did pick that up, basically 250 sales. Now, I know John's products are selling from anywhere from 500 to 2,000 units within the first about 90 days, 100 days. So just saying, that's a very good launch accelerator. Now he's only taking, they only sell 5 of those on launches, and usually they go for $19.97. I think the downsell is $17.97, so that's why you definitely want to be picking it up. All right, guys, so that is YT Velocity. Again, I recommend to wait till December 18th, 2021. Make sure you pick it up. That's going to go live, I think 9 a.m. Eastern time. Definitely pick it up. Get all my bonuses. I'm going to be going through the course at the same time you're going to be going through it. So we'll be working together. You can message me through YouTube down below. Just comment below. And if you have any questions, comments, or whatever, message me. When you get your channel launched, don't spam it in the comments. Make sure my information's on. I'm on Facebook, so find me on Facebook and message me so I can see your YouTube information. Or we'll find a way so I can see your channel and go subscribe to it and like it and all that kind of stuff. So we can kind of work as a syndicate together to help boost each other's channels and get them growing. So this has been my YT Velocity review and walkthrough. You guys are going to love this course. This is going to do amazing wonders for your business. If you're an online marketer, you need YouTube, guys. You need to be creating content. People love to consume video. If you can make 10 to 20 minute helpful like instructional videos or demonstration videos or review videos for in any niche, you just have to be consistent. You will be golden. So follow these rules. Learn how to get started fast instead of making all the mistakes that I made over the last 4 or 5 years with my channel. Like up, down, I'm all over the place with it. So So I'm changing my ways. So make sure you pick it up below for the discount. If you guys, if you're watching this after December 21st, I guess, it's still a great deal. It's still an amazing deal. So pick it up for $12.95. I think the OTOs will be very similar. We went through them, but yeah, I two thumbs up on this. It's a great course. Jonathan, Cynthia did a very great job. All right, guys, make sure you hit subscribe and drop a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.